Hi, the purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to access the online homework and tests. To get started, you'll need two things. The main thing is you need our course ID. You can find this on the document entitled Accessing Homework and Test, or it'll be in the news on D2L, or it is in the syllabus for this class. Our course ID for 0098 is Feeney 74006, but please keep in mind that your course ID may be different than this. You will want to check your syllabus, this document, or the news in D2L. So find your course ID. It's different for every class. All right. The second thing you need is an access code. If you went to the bookstore and they handed you a piece of cardboard that was very expensive, then you already have that. It's a cardboard, you open it up, it has a pull tab, and that is where you will find your access code. If you did not purchase it at the bookstore, you may purchase it online using a credit card. So to get started, we're going to go to our website, www.mymathlab.com, and we're going to remember this access code. So pull up a web browser and go to mymathlab.com. Now this website is known by a lot of different things, and notice that it redirects you to My Pearson Lab and Mastering, which is really long to type and remember, so if you just want to remember My Math Lab, then that's great. Your first time in, you're going to go here to register now, where it says Need Access, start here, and click on Student. And now the first thing it's going to ask you for is tell you what you need. You need an email. You can use your Minnesota West or use one that you check regularly. It does not matter to me. You need your course ID, which we just had, and you need an access code that you purchased at the bookstore, or, like I indicated before, you can do this with a credit card. And click Register Now. Now the first thing it's going to ask you for is that course ID, so have it handy. Feeney. And again, it's different from every class. This class is 74006, the demonstration, and hit continue. And now what you'll notice is over here your class should appear. All right, I'm doing Math 98, Higher Algebra 1, Fall 2004. And again, you should see my name and know you're in the right place. If you've previously used My Math Lab or taken 98 before, enter your username and your password that you had before and see if it will let you get to our class for free. If you've never used My Math Lab or taken this class before, you're going to have to create an account. So click Create. And now I'm just going to make up an email. Okay, it's going to default your username to that email, but change it if you want. All right, and just fill in the questions and answers. I'm just making these up, accept, and then hit create an account. And now at this point, if you have your access code from the bookstore, you're going to click access code here, and you'll enter all those digits in here, click finish. If you do not have an access code, then again, you can come here and buy with a credit card. Click on that one. Okay, it's taking it a minute, and it will pull up a screen. Come on. All right, and tell you to fill in your credit card and your information. All right. Of course, it's not letting me off that page. Okay. Now, here's another thing. If you're waiting on financial aid, you can get a temporary access without payment for 14 days. Okay. All right, and so that will let you into class, do the homework and everything. Once you get your payment, you can pay, as long as you pay within 14 days, it will keep your account active. So that is option number 3. All right, now once you've done all that, okay, you will be placed into our course. All right, I'm not going to pay or anything. I'm just going to demonstrate what you would need to do next. Now, Pretend that you have an access, you went through all that, you were placed in our course. The next time in, you don't go through this registration process. You simply click sign in, and then you're going to type your username and your password. Okay. And yours is going to look a little different than mine because I have more than one course, but typically you'll just have one showing. And underneath My Lab and Mastering, you should see your course here. It may end up in here, it may be over here. Look for it, and then you have to click on the course, and it will take you to, all right, our homework and stuff. And now in my next video, I'll show you actually how to access the homework and give you a few hints on how to get started in Course Compass or My Math Lab.